Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a cute horse. Let's start drawing. I draw his cute eye. Eyelashes. And a smiling mouth. Then the shape of his head. Then I draw his nose, the hair. Now his ears, his neck, and his hair. Then his body and his 4 legs. His cute tail. Finally, I draw the ground covered with grass. Great! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. First, I color his fur with this marker. Red for his inner ears. For the rest of his furry skin, I use this shade of brown. Gray. Finally, I color the grass with green. And add a little light blue in the background. Very good! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.